and welcome to the Yuvend tutorial. I'm going to put you through how to create transfer orders. So I'm just going to log right in as a salesperson in Marina. On login, I click transfer and transfer. So the transfer page shows you a list of all the transfers done either from Marina or to Marina. For the basis of this video, I want to assume that I do not know the quantity that the store I want to request from has. So I want to request from Bagada store, and I do not know how many Bagada has an item for the particular SKU I want. So I'm just going to go and confirm that. This is a home page. I go to stock item and stock visibility. Now in this page I have two options like you just saw. I have the option to search by store and the option to search by stock visibility by quantity, which is search by quantity. So I'm going to search by store. I select the store I am interested in currently, which is Bagada store, and I click the search icon. So searching by the store just shows you a list of all the products that that particular store has. But if you type in an SKU here and search by the store, it gives you only that SKU. So I'm just going to click total quantity so I can sort by ascending or descending. So I will select this first item. So this is the SKU I want to transfer. This I want to request from Bagada. So I go back to my transfer page, click new request, select my fulfilling store, which is Bagada, and select or type the item or scan the item I mean. So you could get options like we're getting, but sometimes if you do not get options, you could just click add. So the system fetches the product, and we can see right here that the quantity says -1, which you definitely cannot transfer a -1. So this means that you should check for availability, although we just did that on the other page. But to create for every transfer, you have to check for availability. So we can see that this is 9. Bagada has 9 of this. So I'm just going to request for 2. And all I need to do right now is select the check mark, which is send request. And our transfer has been created. Take note of the number 0535. So I go back to the transfer page, and you could sync pending requests. Now we can see our transfer right here. Right here, yes, 0535. Our transfer is right here. So upon creation, a mail is going to be sent to all approving heads, and once the transfer has been approved, the target store, which is Bagada store, is going to receive a notification telling them that there is a transfer order that requires their attention. Now, once Bagada sees it and confirms that they want to give my store, which is Marina store, these items, Bagada is going to release the items. So all this while, my status on this page is going to remain on pending until Bagada releases the transfer. While waiting for Bagada to release the item, you could go ahead and keep making sales, or you could decide to reload this particular order, which you do by clicking reload. So we can see that the status is still on pending, meaning either the approvals have not all been gotten or Bagada has not released. So you can go about your sales at this point. So I'm just going to reload the transfer. And we can see here that Bagada has released the items. So our status has changed to released. So in order to complete this transfer, I need to accept it. So I click this button, accept, and it shows me the quantity I'm accepting, the quantity that was released, and the quantity I'm accepting. So I select accept. It prompts me and I select yes. And as soon as the transfer is accepted by me, we can see that it has changed to completed. So that is how to create a transfer order, and that is the process the transfer order goes through. First of all, you confirm the item is available in the selected store that you want to request from. You make the request, that is, you create the request. The request goes to the various approvers. As soon as they approve, the store that the items are requested from receives a notification, and the store decides to release the transfer, the items. So once the transfer is released from the requesting store, then once the transfer is released from the fulfilling store, then the requesting store can accept the transfer, and upon acceptance of the transfer, the status of the transfer is set to completed. I hope you have been able to understand this video. Thank you very much. Thank you.